So I've been asked to go through my bag. I'm Kim Gravel, and they said, bring your bag, your everyday bag that you use, and go through it on camera. I said, are you sure about that? Okay, I'm about to take y'all old school. I can't believe I have a checkbook. Who's got a checkbook? Who carries a checkbook anymore? Somebody over 30. I'm 31, don't judge. Oh, I love these. The Privé Reniflant. I don't even know how to say it because it's so fancy. Aren't these bad? Do I like Jamie Foxx? Oh, okay. Let me just tell you. I can say exactly who I am and what is in this bag with this one item. Red Jesus pen. Oh my. Stuff like that. Look at this. These are my receipts. This is my travel. Stop. This is my receipt. So when my husband says, who runs our business, when he says, I travel every week, bring me your receipts. This is my receipt bag. My breath mints. I've not been eating carbs lately, so my breath has been jacked. So I'll just keep a breath mint just in case. I'm gonna take that out because it might get crunchy. All right. Makeup wipes. Now, I don't use makeup wipes to take off my makeup. I call this the bird bath. So if ever I'm feeling a little stanky here at the Q, you've been here like for TSV or a long time, just do a little, you got it. Lots of big gold paper clips. Not sure why these are in here, but aren't these great? Oh, my Kisser Fixer. You know I had to throw that in there. I live with Kisser Fixer. I just keep it in my little bag here. This is Belle Beauty, you know, and my lip gloss, lipstick, lip liner. When in doubt, put your lips on. I always say, put your brows, your bra, bronzer, and always carry your Bible, honey. I'm normally multiple bags. Hold on. So I come with multiple bags because just one bag won't work, right? So as a woman, you have to bring a lot of bags with you. This is my safety. So I like multiple. I feel comfortable now. Let's talk about what's my baggage. This makes me feel safe. You wonder why I've got shoulder problems? The fact that I have triple D's has nothing to do with it. It's carrying all these bags. I'm telling you, you have to be ready for everything. Oh, somebody's texting me. Let's see who it is. Oh, it's my husband. He says, don't go shopping. He said, don't go shopping. He said, don't go shopping. And then Amy texted me, Kim's bag is a black hole. That's my best friend just said that. Which? So seriously, my red Jesus pen, me and Mally, and that's not proper grammar. Mally, Elena from Peace Love World, Mally Beauty, Peace Love World, Elena, and me, we all have 3 pens. So I have the red Jesus, Elena has the white Jesus, and Mally has the green Jesus. And so Jesus travels with us everywhere, so we always do these Jesus pics with our pens. And I got one today, no lie, at 9:57. It's white Jesus sitting by a candle. Okay. She said, I love you, girl. Have a great day. That's the kind of friends you make at the Q, right? Like, there's something about QVC. I'm going to get emotional. I don't want to get emotional. There's something about being a woman and an entrepreneur and at QVC and making these kind of friends as I'm holding my red Jesus that really, like, bonds you. Because there's nothing like women coming together and supporting one another in business. It's a whole nother level. Like, as moms, yeah. As women, yeah. But when it's women in business, there's something about it that's really quite magical. And sitting here emptying my bag out is fun, it's wonderful. But seeing this and then getting this text today, this is what being at QVC is all about for me. It's the sisterhood, you know? It's deep. Anybody want to check?